Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging the hashtag Morphe Live by Liveglam. So, Liveglam is a subscription service. Now, the Morphe is a brush subscription that you get 3 to 7 brushes for $19.99. Now, they do have 3 different kinds of subscriptions, all are $19.99 a month, which you could get an eyeshadow palette, or you could get 3 lippies, or you get the 3 to 7 brushes. Now I picked the brushes which I'm about to quit because I have way too many brushes and I think it's just time to move on to another subscription. So this is the card right here. So the theme is give your other brushes a run for their money. Girls just want to have fun is the theme. Okay. So, I see that we only got 3 brushes this month. And here is the first one. Now, this is the Morphe M507. And it looks like a small blender. It's a pointed mini blender brush, which you cannot go wrong with having one of these. Okay. So, this is achieve all of your goals with this slim tapered brush. Use it to deposit color and blend out harsh lines to create a balling look. So, I do like that. And here is the next brush. This is the Morphe E54. And it is a Pro Deluxe flat buffer. Now, I like a good buffer brush because I really like to buff mine out, and I really like the size of that. I do not really want to touch myself with this, but, like, say if I'm using, like, I'm very pale skin, so when I'm using certain colors of contour, you really got to blend it out, and so I'll just go in and buff these out with one of these. Some people use them for foundation or whatever you want to. So this is Product Flat Buffer. Time is money, so achieve a quick, flawless base with this oversized kabuki style buffer. Perfect for buffing in powder and liquids to an airbrush finish. So, I like this brush. And our last brush is a spoolie. And I do my brows with these. So, I've got a bunch of these. I don't have the orange tipped one, but, so this is the M58. It's an angle liner spoolie. Okay, you and this brush will be the ultimate power couple. Snatch your brows and wings with this dual-ended angle liner and spoolie. Okay, so I like that brush. I like to have an extra spoolie brushes, especially with my brows. So, like if I forget to clean mine out the day before, I have a backup. Which I have like 4 or 5, probably more, but I like having extras, just in case I want to be lazy for a few days and not want to wash them. Okay, well, I dropped that one. So, I do not know the retails of the brushes. This month, I didn't look it up. Normally, I do. I don't think I've done it last month either. I will look them up and put the price, what these all cost down in the description, and if it's worth it or not. Normally, your brushes do add up to around $30. So, these 2 brushes are probably expensive brushes, so that's probably why you got 3. Okay, if you'd like to try Liveglam for yourself, I will leave the link down in the description box, and when you use your friend's link, you do get a free brush, and you normally get to pick that free brush. So, I will leave the link down below, and I'll get points to get to work on getting a free brush. So, I do like the brushes. if you're ready to make some money, moves, post a picture of this collection on Instagram. It's just a funny little card. Okay, so this being my favorite brush this month. I do have quite a few of these, but I do like having extras. So, I guess that is it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get Liveglam next month or not and switch it to something else. So, I don't know. If you guys do have an opinion on another box to try, please let me know and just leave it down in the comments below. This was like the shortest Liveglam one video I've ever done. Because the brushes, I don't like the spoolie, I'll be honest. Mine is kind of like flattened and a little soft, so I don't even know if that would comb out good. I got one that's super soft and I just don't like it. I don't want them super hard either. But I guess that's it for this video. I hope you guys did like this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe, so, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I do upload, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And sometimes I do bonus videos, like when my subscription boxes are coming in. And I guess I will see you all in the next one. Bye.